Hello everybody, it's Brian Sibley 2001 doing an unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing something, a Blu-ray from White Stuff again. And this, it means a lot to me. So let's get to it. It came earlier last month, but being my spinal fifth up and acting up, I couldn't get to the P.O. box. Okay, and it's advertisement, and it's, yep, the limited edition Sailor Moon S Part 1, including the third boat of the season for the series for Sailor Moon Usagi. So, this season means a lot to me, big time, because way in the early 2000s, way back then, when I was first getting into the show, well, I got it found out in the late, about 1999, and from a Digimon VHS tape, and I found out, I knew about Dragon Ball Z, but I didn't know about Sailor Moon. So I looked it up at the library I went to at the time, and I read it, but I didn't like it. It was too girly for me. And then I gave it a try again a few years later, and I liked it. It had everything I wanted. Then I began to look for a VHS and then later DVD, but I couldn't find anything. It was so annoying. I was kind of looking for it. Like it was missing. Like I wouldn't survive. And then I did find stuff, but it was the Sailor Moon R. And then the Sailor Moon R movie. And then the movie for this one, Sailor Moon S, the movie. And then Supers, the movie. I was just about to give up until I went to GameStop again, because at this time GameStop was still doing DVDs, was still selling them, and at first I didn't see any but when I was leaving, something caught my eye and I found it. And it was the first 3 volumes of Sailor Moon S. So I traded a lot of my games and got them. And one of them was free. being it will buy 2, get 1 free. And this is what got me really into Sailor Moon and made me the anime fan I am today. So here's the front, and back with Sailor Uranus and Sailor Neptune.
She's there, and she's strong woman, I'll tell you that. She's really strong.
And they were sorry about the bug. And from what I understand of this set, it's very similar to how I got it originally. And with the 3 DVDs, exactly like it. So let's open it. And so basically, I got some updates on stuff I want to say after this. So stay tuned. Okay, opening it. And I'm sorry about the TV noise, but I can't help it. So, here. And now that we... Okay. Here's the set booklet. And look like we have a recap of it. And so they censored stuff in the back in the original dub. But it was my first introduction to the Sailor Moon. So I like it. And the introduction to new sailors, Scouts or Sentry, Sailor Mini Moon or Chippy Moon as he's known now, aka Weenie, new Sailor form, and fan favorite sailors Uranus and Neptune, Amara and Michelle, Haruka and Michiru. But I still like the original. And that's a name I adore. Sailor Pluto, voiced by Franca Taylor. Viz, good job at getting Franca Taylor. Good job. I highly, highly, highly approve. Try to get the rights to Pokemon and bring her back as Ash. Sarah Natasani is an insult to the character, and I think even the Japanese voice of Ash or Satoshi, Rika Matsumoto, even approved on Blanca Taylor being the voice. And so a lot of classic voices from the 90s.
To see the work ethic that Raphael has, we just need to get something where it can be a little bit more flexible from a standpoint of community.
The opening and ending.
It's a minimum wage job.
The
He has great abilities, and so
first
also to help him get a TV
couple episodes was the Sailor Moon all ending. And then after that, it Tuxedo Mirage, done by Peach Hips, or the Sailor Sense main Sailor Scouts. Sailor Moon, Sailor Mercury, Sailor Mars, Sailor Jupiter, and Sailor Venus. I'm making it quick. Mina was funny in this season. Dodo! Twist, aka Twister! I'm gonna wait until part 2 comes to figure out her name. And her towel. The only character that kept her name in English and Japanese. And Darian? Wow, this is cool. The villains? Spring of 2017? Oh, come on, Viz. Oh, don't let us wait that long. And must be having to dub Sailor Moon all the movie. And it's mini movie. And I am going to see it. I just have to make sure there's no theater closer to me before I order my ticket. So here's a Blu-ray disc. And here's the Blu-rays. And here's the DVDs. I'm not going to show back. So that's the Blu-ray and update on it future. I'm still trying to figure out about the blind commentary. I don't know what's going on with the videos I try to get, but and I don't know when my life's gonna start going crazy again. So I'm very sorry about that. It's still on hiatus, but don't worry, it's still going to happen. And second, about the near future, I'm going to be doing another unboxing in the near future, so keep an eye on that. And third, in the real near future, within sometime later today, it is Wednesday, sometime late today, I am doing a blind commentary on the new Death Battle. Yeah, I know, I said that I was going to do another Death Battle, but I said unless it's special. And this one is about as special as they come. Deadpool versus Pinkie Pie. And from what I saw on the preview on Ben's, one of the hosts' channel, It's hilarious. And I'm not gonna say anything about it. But from what I saw, from the beginning of it, and like before they start fighting, it's hilarious. So don't spoil it for me, please. I want to be as surprised as I can for it. Please, don't spoil it for me. Please. And the last thing, I'm looking for my Borga controller. I have it to, I got one to play emulator games and stuff like that. But I haven't been using it, so it got lost in the mess. But I'm gonna try to look for it. And I'm gonna do a gameplay video of a game I'm waiting for. The game, a few months ago, I did a game on Kickstarter. It's called Henshin Engine. It's a game from Samoa or something like that, and a mass media project. There's the game in development. It should be out estimated March, but they say spring. And there's a comic, an internet comic he's making. And the one I chose is the 99 tier one, the $99 one, and it includes the comic and Southbound and the game and other stuff. So I'll be doing an unboxing of it too. So keep an eye on it too. But as soon as I find my Borga controller, I'm going to do a gameplay of Henshin Engine. So keep an eye on that. And I have a recorder on my phone, being I have the S7 Edge, but I need to ask you guys something. If I want to also screen capture my gameplay to show me playing it and my reaction and my commentary. So I would like your suggestions on apps to capture my face. I'm currently using Angle, and I think I might have to upgrade. So please put down under the comments what app to use to capture my face, please. So rate, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying this. We're up to 45 subscribers. I cannot believe that I got 45 subscribers. I would like to say to all of you, thank you. You're the best. From my humble beginnings and just an occasional uploaders are very rarely uploaded to every few months. This is insane. This is really insane. Me having 45 subscribers. So all of you who just recently subbed, thank you. And those who've been with me for a while, over a year, thank you. And for those who've been with me since my early days as a real fan and everything, thank you. I really, really, really appreciate it. Yo, look, all of you, all the ones that helping me build my confidence up, and I can't express my gratitude enough for it. I can't. So thank you, and I will do my best in the future. So rate, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hope you have a nice night or day wherever you see this. Bye.